A couple of days ago, Cogito released an open-source model, Cogito. This model has traditional no reasoning and reasoning functions. For 8B model, it outperforms Llama 3.1 in all the aspects, such as general, math, and multilingual and non-reasoning. For reasoning capability, it also has very strong performance. Compared with DeepSeek R1 Distill 8B, it only has a weaker math performance. This is amazing, and has a lot of potentials. In this video, we will show you how to use this Cogito model for free. Let us go to Llama website. We click on the models. It brings us to all the models. By default, it is ordered by popular. We select the newest. Scroll down a little bit. We can see Cogito. It is updated 4 days ago. We click on it. On the page, it says, Cogito V1 Preview is a family of hybrid reasoning models by Cogito that outperform the best available open models of the same size, including counterparts from Llama, DeepSeek, and n8n across most standard benchmarks. It has different sizes, and it also has tools function. We can read more details. We can see the performance of different sizes. For example, we can see the 3B performance, 8B performance, 14B, 32B, and 70B. Their performances look pretty impressive. If we want to use the extended thinking, we need to set system to enable deep thinking subroutine. We will show you how to do this in the video. We can choose different sizes for your application. For example, we select 3B. We, then, click the icon to make a copy of the command. Next, let us open a terminal. We paste the command, and press the Enter key on the computer. It starts to download and install the Cogito model on the computer. This process may take a few minutes. When it is done, we can see it shows success. This means the installation is successful. Later, when we see the Send a Message hint, we are ready to talk to Cogito. Let us simply enter Hello. Cogito replies, Hi. How can I help you today? When we see this, it means everything works great. Next, let us enter, what is 2 plus 2? Cogito should give a quick answer. Yes. It shows 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. This is wonderful. Now, let us test its reasoning. In order to use the reasoning, we go back to the Llama website. As instructed, we need to set system to enable deep thinking subroutine. Let us select the entire command and make a copy. We go to the terminal, and paste the command. After entering the command, we see it says, Set System Message. Now, let us enter the same question, what is 2 plus 2? This time, it should show the reasoning steps because we have enabled the deep thinking subroutine. Yes. Now, we can see the model's thinking. It has the tag of think, which is same as DeepSeek R1 if you are more familiar with DeepSeek R1 model that has famous superb thinking capability. The reasoning steps show how the model comes to the conclusion. Sometimes, the logic is very helpful especially for complex tasks. It is very interesting to see how the Cogito model has the logic flow just like a human being. After it finishes thinking, Cogito replies with the final answer, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. This works perfectly. In order to use the reasoning, we need to set system to enable deep thinking subroutine by entering this command. Without this command, we can see Cogito works like a normal model and answers questions with no reasoning steps. By the way, if you want to get help, you can enter / and it shows a list of commands. We can see the set command. That is why we have used the set system command to enable the reasoning subroutine. After that, we can see the thinking of this Cogito model. This is wonderful. Next, we will show you how to use the Cogito model in n8n. We will create a new workflow and use an AI agent to include Cogito. We click on the plus sign to add a node. In the search, we enter AI agent. We click on the icon. In the parameter settings, we use the default values. We click to go back to Canvas. Now, we can see the AI agent node on the canvas with the chat trigger node. In the chat model, we click the plus sign. In the search, we enter Llama. we click the icon to add Llama chat model. As I have created the account previously, we can use the default account. In the model list, we select Cogito 3B, which has been previously installed on my computer. If you want to know how to create an Llama account, please watch our previous videos. Now, the Cogito model has been added to the AI agent. We can start testing. In the chat, we simply enter, "Hello." Again, Cogito replies, "Hi. How can I help you today?" But this time it is from n8n AI agent. Again, we ask, "What is 2 plus 2? Cogito replies, 4, that's basic addition. That is right. Next, we are going to test the reasoning. In order to do so, we double-click on the AI agent node. In the Add option list, we select System Message. Again, we go back to Llama website and make a copy of this command in order to use the reasoning. We paste the command after the default prompt. Then, we go back to Canvas. We enter the same question, "What is 2 plus 2? Indeed, we see the thinking steps. Cogito shows the logic flow, how it thinks in each step before coming to the final answer. This is fantastic. Everything works great. In the logs, we also can see the thinking steps of Cogito. Next, we are going to test if Cogito can use tools to help it answer users' questions. We ask the question to see if the model has updated information. We enter, "Who is the US president?" It shows that Cogito does not have the most updated information. It lists recent US presidents until 2021. We are going to add a Wikipedia tool node to help Cogito. In the tools, we click the plus sign. In the search, we enter, Wikipedia. We click the icon to add the Wikipedia node. There is no parameter setting for this node. Back to Canvas, we see the Wikipedia tool node has been added. Now, let us double-click the AI agent node. We will modify the prompt in the System Message option. We click the Expression tab and enlarge the window. We add a new prompt to instruct Cogito to use the Wikipedia. In the prompt, we say, "Now is today." Today is the JavaScript variable. If you are not sure or have no updated answer, please use the Wikipedia tool to help you find the answer. In this way, Cogito can use the tool if it does not have the updated information. We go back to the canvas. In the chat, we enter the same question, "Who is the US president?" The workflow starts. We can see the status of the workflow. And the progress is shown with the spinning node. The green nodes stand for the nodes that have been successfully executed. We see the Wikipedia node has been turned green. This means that the Wikipedia node in the tool has been successfully executed. So, Cogito has called the tool to help it answer the question. This demonstrates that Cogito does have the tool calling capability. As it takes long time to finish, it shows an error. If we increase the time limit in the settings, we can avoid this. Anyway, it shows that Cogito can use tools. In addition, we can add Airtable tool in the AI agent for your application. We also can add Gmail tool in the agent. The simplest tool is Calculator. So, Cogito can use so many tools to do different functions. It has lots of potential. Hope this video helps. If you like this video, please subscribe and give a thumbs up. If you have any comments and suggestions, please let us know. Thank you for your support.